Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo, and today's video is brought to us by, let's see, it's the Little Debbie chocolate cupcakes, and my favorite, the Little Debbie Swiss rolls, and a secondary sponsor is Svedka. That is imported Swedish vodka. It's been distilled 5 times, and it is 80 proof. There's a little Swedish flag down there, and there's nothing like a nice ice cold 7-Up and vodka to start off the old Labor Day weekend. So let's take a look at a couple things. Zippo. Normally, or years ago, they just sent Zippo lighters in this plain old black box, had the label on the back, and a few years ago they started sending the same box with the cardboard sleeve, which I really liked because it had the label on the sleeve and on the box, but they were losing some protection. The boxes were slipping out of the sleeve. So about 6 months ago they went to a fully enclosed box with flaps on both sides. Gives it a little bit more protection, and this one is called Reimagine Movie Ticket, and it's the same black box Zippo, and no label, no barcode label on the back. It's made in the USA, and that is different than made in America. If you can't figure that out, let me know. And this has the idiotic P65 California warning on it. Manufactured in Bradford, PA. This is a design I really like. There's nothing special about the insert, but this is a red matte finish, and it says Cinema Ticket, Admit 1, and then Zippo 1932, and it was made in C of 21, March of this year. Really good stampings on this. That's kind of a tomato red with a steel insert. Lights up real nice. Now, there's one thing about lighters that I've learned. This is a Bic style lighter from Myers. It lights up good, but the problem with these is it doesn't pass the drop test. Let's try. Try again. This just will not pass the drop test. And here's another example. This is a Coleman with about a 6-inch tube. It fires up nice. Let's try a drop test on this. Same thing, it will not pass the drop test. And I use the drop test for lighting things from a distance. Let's try a drop test on this Zippo. It's got that steel insert. Okay, so the good old Zippo passes the drop test. And that design is laser etched into that red coating on the brass body. It's a good design. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.